Here is complete beginner's guide on your Google Pixel 9a. So let's start with the physical overview. Let's take a look on the device, and on the front it's a bright OLED display with 120 Hz refresh rate. On the left side, at the bottom, we shall find our SIM card slot. We can use a pin to eject it and insert our SIM card, then reinsert the tray. Here on the right side, we can locate our power and volume buttons, and at the bottom, also we have our USB-C type port and speakers. The second speaker is hidden right here. We can find a front camera and a back camera with a flash and this cool Google logo. So to turn on or off our screen, we shall use our power key, right? That's how you do this. To turn off the device, we are to hold the power button and our volume up button, and you will summon this power off menu where you can choose your different options. You can customize lock and home screens if you're gonna hold your finger on them and press home settings or lock screen settings. You can do that as well. You can adjust your font, background, and colors. All right, when locked our device, what do we do here? We can swipe through our home screens, and we can swipe up to open up our app drawer. Here we can see the list of all of the applications which are saved on our phone. If we're gonna swipe from the top right corner, we will get our notifications, and also we will get our quick settings panel. This is a very useful panel where you can get a lot of different accessible tools which are gonna be useful in your further phone operations. Also, if you're gonna swipe down from the top right corner, you're gonna open from the top left corner, you're gonna open up exactly the same menu. Here we can open up our settings. Let's do that. In our settings, you have a lot of different options which make your phone very customizable and very comfortable, and you can make it your little personal heaven. Also, one very useful tip, do not forget to open up your system. Here locate your software updates, and do not forget to perform your updates, because updates, they bring innovation, they fix bugs and lags and make your phone usage more comfortable in general. And basically that's it. Also, do not forget to protect your device with case and screen protector. And yeah, don't be afraid to explore your phone, and don't be afraid to try new apps. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.